All right, beautiful people. Today we are going to be opening these two little small packages. I have no idea what they are. I've just been buying stuff and we're gonna find out. Hi baby, how are you? Zoe wanted to join us in the video today. And her. All right, let's see what we got going on today. Okay? You want to be in the video, Bubbles? Come on. Good girl. Good girl. All right. Zoe's going to be in the video with us today. Love you, Bubbles. Let's open. This one says fragile. Handle with care. So I'm just going to use the scissors for this because it's going to be easier for me to just open it. All right. So it looks like this is going to be what I bought on Whatnot. If you guys haven't heard of Whatnot, it's basically a bidding website where you bid for stuff, and it's people all over the world that bid for items. It's a pretty cool app. I'll probably put a little picture of it in the video so that way you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. But be careful, I'm warning you right now, that app can get addicting because you're just bidding. Anyways, I don't even know how much I spent on this because I bid on it, obviously. So, but I always try not to spend more than $15 to $10 on Whatnot, so it was somewhere around there. And it looks like it's actually a bronzer. It's makeup. They sell all kinds of stuff. They sell makeup, electronics, clothes, perfumes, brand name items, all kinds of stuff. I've gotten lucky and I've actually gotten a Dior foundation from them too. Very good price. Ooh, nice. I'm excited. It's pretty cool. It has three shades of colors. It's pretty awesome. Nice. Okay. So there's that. All right. So the next one's gonna be the second package. Let's see what it is. Yay. Also, I'm probably gonna record in better lighting next time. Okay, guys? Bold Booster Page Vine. Define, enhance, and perfect with this silky smooth lip liner that delivers flawless precision every time. It's my brown lip liner. I've been needing one because I freaking lost the other one. I don't know where it went actually. I lost it. I don't know. You know how I switch bags all the time. Depending on what I wear, I switch backpacks, I switch purses all the time. So in one of the times that I switched my backpack or my purse, I lost my lip liner, and I've been without my lip liner for the past 2 weeks. So I needed one, and I finally got my lip liner. Again, this was bought from Whatnot as well. I may open it up for you guys. All right, guys, so this is the lip liner. And this is how it looks. Twisty lip liner. I don't want it to break, so I'm gonna put it back. But yeah, let's test it out right now, actually, because why not? Okay, so usually how I do my lips is I do the line. Oh heck yeah, this works, guys. Super, it glided on my lips. Okay, dang, this works. This works hella good. All right, let me put my other lipstick on. All right, so usually after I'm done putting my lip liner on, I put my lipstick from Anastasia on. It's in the color Ashton. This is my go-to. I wear it for everything. And that's usually my lip combo look. And what I do, you see how the line look, you kind of can see the line. So what I do there, I grab a little spoolie like this, and I just I mix both the colors together to give it a nice ombre. Can you guys see it now? Sorry, my hair is a mess right now. Don't mind my hair. But my lipstick is fire. Which, by the way, we're getting our hair done next week. Wait for the video on that. All right, peace out. Love y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, bye.